You know, every once in a while, you see a video pop up on the internet that it doesn't quite add up. It's not some big movie trailer, it's not a celebrity doing a stunt. It's a tutorial, a how-to guide for making AI videos. And for some reason, it has absolutely exploded.
I mean, just look at this number. Nearly 6 million views. For any video, that's incredible. But for a tutorial, a guide for beginners, that is completely off the charts. This single number tells us there's a huge global wave of curiosity building, and we need to figure out what's behind it. So that's the big question we're going to try to answer today. What's the secret sauce here? And even bigger than that, what does this one video tell us about the future of being a creator online? Let's dive in and break it all down.
Okay, first things first. To figure out why this video blew up, we have to get inside the heads of the millions of people who clicked on it. What are they actually looking for? Well, if you look closely at the video's description, it basically gives us a roadmap to their biggest desires.
The first thing, and honestly, this is the big one, accessibility. People aren't just looking for AI tools. They are specifically searching for free AI tools that they can use on a mobile phone. Think about that. That single combination smashes the two biggest walls that stop people from creating: money and not having a fancy computer.
So after accessibility, we've got this other powerful driver, anonymity. People are actively trying to figure out how to make videos without ever showing their face, without shooting anything, and even using an AI voice. This isn't just a small group of people, it's a massive, growing movement. It's the rise of the faceless creator.
And the third piece to this puzzle? Simplicity. It's gotta be easy. These aren't professional video producers. They're looking for guides made for beginners, tools that don't need any coding. They want to skip the hard part and get right to creating. And what they want to create is all over the map. For example, tons of people want to make cartoon videos, something that used to take a crazy amount of skill and time.
Then you've got the people who want to jump on trends, making funny clips and memes to go viral.
And of course, a huge one is motivational content. So you've got everything from animation to comedy to self-help. The creative appetite out there is just immense.
So the demand is crystal clear, right? Free, anonymous, and super simple tools to make all kinds of videos. Now let's dig into how AI is being pitched as the magic key that unlocks all of these creative dreams.
And this table here, it just lays it out perfectly. For every single goal someone has, whether it's making a viral short or starting a whole new educational channel, they believe there's a specific AI tool that can get them there. AI isn't just software to them, it's a shortcut to their ambitions. Right. We've used this term a couple of times, so let's just make sure we're on the same page. A faceless channel is exactly what it sounds like, and it's a huge deal. It allows people to be judged purely on their ideas and their taste, not on how they look or sound on camera. And AI is basically the ultimate engine for this entire trend.
All right, so we've totally picked apart the demand side of this equation. Now let's flip the script. How did the creator Digital Raj manage to meet that demand so perfectly? I'll tell you right now, it wasn't an accident. It was a brilliant strategy.
So here's the secret weapon. The video's description isn't just a description, it's a masterclass in YouTube's search engine. The creator basically built this giant invisible net to catch literally every single search you can imagine related to AI video, from the really broad stuff down to the super specific phrases and hashtags.
And here's why that is so powerful. Look, it's one thing to show up if someone types in AI video maker. That's great. But the real magic is in what's called the long tail. By targeting these incredibly specific questions, the creator finds an audience that knows exactly what they want, and they are ready to watch right now.
Okay, so let's pull back for a second. What does all this actually mean? Because this isn't just about one popular video, right? What we're really looking at is a snapshot of a massive earthquake happening in the creator economy, and AI is at the epicenter.
Let's just visualize it for a moment. Historically, making a high-quality video, the bar was incredibly high. You needed a good camera, you needed a studio, you needed complex editing software and the skills to use it. AI comes along and just demolishes that bar. Now, all you really need is a good idea and the ability to describe it. It's a total game changer.
And I think it's really telling to look at how the creator himself frames this. He's very clear in his description. He says it's for educational purposes. He even brings up fair use. The whole vibe is about empowerment, about teaching other people how they can get in on this new way of creating.
So, when you boil it all down, that's the real story here. The success of this single video is just a symptom of a much bigger phenomenon. AI is turning millions of people who used to just watch content into people who can now make it. And that fundamentally changes who gets to tell their story to the world.
And that leaves all of us with one last really big question to chew on. As the technical side of making things, the how-to, gets easier and more automated, what's left? In this new creator economy, what becomes the most valuable, the most irreplaceable human skill? Is it storytelling? Is it taste? Or is it something we haven't even thought of yet?